Good afternoon, children. Welcome to the maths class. Children, today we will learn about measuring length and distance using standard units. Here is a table. Ravi tries to measure its length using his handspan. He tells us the length of the table is 5 handspans. Now, Shita tries to measure its length using her handspans. She tells us the length of the table is 7 handspans. The measurements for the length of the table are different because the size of the body parts varies person to person. So, the difference in measurements can be confusing. This is why we use a fixed length to compare. One of the fixed length is meter. It is denoted by the small letter m. So, meter is written in short as m. A meter rod or meter scale and a meter tape measure a meter. Meter is used to measure long lengths like length of a room, distance between two cities, and length of a piece of a cloth. Meter is also known as the standard unit of length as it always remains fixed and does not change from place to place or person to person. And another standard unit of length is centimeter. It is written as a cm. We write centimeter in short as cm. Your ruler in his geometry box has centimeter marks on one side. The long lines on a ruler are 1 centimeter apart. The centimeter used to measure small lengths like the length of the crayon, length of a book, and length of a box. Children, did you know the 100 centimeters make a meter? To measure lengths larger than a meter, we use a larger unit called the kilometer. Long distance are measured in kilometers. It is written in short as km. It is used to measure the length of a road, the distance between two places, lengths of a bridges, and so on. For example, your school is 5 kilometers from your home. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Children, when you walk, one step is approximately 1 meter. So, when you walk around 1000 steps, you will travel 1 kilometer. To convert kilometer to meter, multiplied by 1000. For example, 6 kilometers is equals to 6 into 1000, which is equal 6000 meter. Thus, 1 kilometer greater than 1 meter, 1 meter greater than 1 centimeter. Using these standard units, we can measure the lengths of objects accurately. Standard units give the same measure of the object anywhere in the world. The standard instruments used to measure length are a ruler or a scale, a measuring tape, and so on. A ruler is used to measure the length in centimeters and inches. A measuring tape is used to measure longer lengths in meters and kilometers. Now let us measuring objects using a ruler. Children, let us understand from upcoming video.
This is Rohit. He has a ruler in his hand. I think he is going to his mother to ask her something. Come, let's follow him. I feel we will be able to learn about length with him today.
Mom, isn't a ruler also called a scale?
Yes, dear, a ruler is also called a scale.
And what are these markings on it?
These markings indicate the centimeters. We can measure the length of any object in centimeters. Here, the numbers 0 to 15 show 0 to 15 centimeters.
So these show the centimeters. But how do we measure the length with this?
Come, let me explain. We measure the length from the 0 mark by counting numbers from 0 to 15. We read the length as 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and so on. To write centimeter, we use its short form, that is cm.
Mom, can I measure the length of this pencil with this ruler?
Yes, of course. Let me show you how. Keep the pencil on the table. Keep the ruler beside it. You have to take care that one end of the pencil coincides with the 0 mark of the ruler. Now, look at the other end of the pencil. Can you tell me which number it coincides with on the ruler?
14. So its length is 14 centimeters.
Correct. Now, let us measure this eraser.
I think it is 4 centimeters.
Correct. So now you know how to measure the length of small objects. But longer objects cannot be measured with this small ruler. They are measured in a bigger unit called meter. Meter is written in short as m. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Would you like to convert some meters into centimeters? It is very easy.
Yes.
Now, as I said, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So, to convert meters into centimeters, we have to multiply the meters by 100. So, for example, to convert 2 meters into centimeters, we have to multiply 2 into 100, which is equal to 200 centimeters.
I got it. So if I want to convert 5 meters into centimeters, I have to multiply 5 by 100, which is equal to 500 centimeters.
Correct.
Yes, children, in this video we have learnt measuring lengths and distances using standard units. Thank you, children.